Just both of us dying.
What did it even say?
Exposed.
So we got to MicroCenter. Took about 30 minutes drive. I forgot to record an actual transition, so you're gonna have to deal with the shitty clip that just straight cut to it. Yeah. MicroCenter.
Yeah, so we're not going for those.
Is it true?
I love MicroCenter.
Here we go.
There's some better places.
Really? That's not bad.
What if we have it in black?
I don't care what color, but it could be pink or like there.
Let's try not to. Let's try not to make pink. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know. Oh, it's because these are incomplete. That's why. It just needs to be able to fit. That won't fit the motherboard. That will not fit the motherboard. I think there is.
I don't think this will be.
No, that will fit. It will. It's on sale. Okay, let me see if this specifies a color for this. Yeah. Oh, it's the white one that's on sale. If we can find a white one.
That might be the issue because all the. What do you call it? Because that one's black in the back. But I think that might be for the other one. X3,
We need to find the X5 then. It's only that one, huh? I mean, we can ask someone to get it for us.
Which one?
The X5F.
Oh shit.
It's white.
That's white. Okay.
Okay.
Hey. Got it?
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, guys. Anything else we're looking for?
I think that's it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Because when we have the power supply at home, so you'll be.
Do I need a new one?
No. RAM. Yeah. And because you don't need more storage because you already have it. DDR4.
DDR4.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
We already have the CPU. We already have the motherboard. God, it's just the RAM. It's not like you're getting a new graphics card. And you don't need more storage. Oh, there's the RAM. Excuse me? Can we get help getting 2 single sticks of the 8 gigs? 2 stick the 8 gigs DDR4?
Yeah. Anything else, Leslie, or just that?
I think it's just that. Yeah. Will this be something we pay for at the front desk, or we just grab it?
I'm gonna grab it for you guys.
Okay. Got it.
These two. I need to like acrylic over there.
Sure.
I mean, that's what they have.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Just meet him around?
Oh, he's gonna put it in one of these.
Molars!
So we just finished at MicroCenter, and I bought my own goodies.
Alright.
This man, he's got his RAM and his case. Now we're gonna go home. Gonna build this. Oh god, the sun's right behind me, isn't it?
In theory, I only paid $30 of
In
my
theory.
own money.
Because he had 150 cash, so technically only $30 ever really left his account. And we're gonna get some food. Food. And then we're gonna head back. Boop. So we got this Montech X5M because it was on sale. $15 off.
$15.
$15 off. We're gonna.
I need this.
Yes, that's the Wi-Fi card.
Okay. I will not touch that then.
Alright. This is currently the insides of the shit. It's old. It's GTX 970. I don't remember what the CPU is, but it's some old jank Intel shit. So, whatever it is.
works, it works.
If it don't, we don't talk about it.
We don't talk about it.
The only way he will get Wi-Fi is through this card.
You've been joking me.
I am not.
Okay,
So we put this to the side.
We're gonna put some of this over here, actually, like we did this one.
Unplug everything. Because we need power supply. And this is get power as well. I fix it. I'm not sponsored, but I got this as a gift a couple years ago, and I love it. I have so many driver bits.
Bits and pieces.
Bits and pieces.
That's what I called you back in high school.
That doesn't even make sense.
No, it doesn't. That's not the point, no.
I think that's the entire point.
No, nonsense.
Yes.
If we don't need it, we just don't need to take it.
This was my very first graphics card.
Is it really?
It is.
God damn.
And when I had it, it was brand new. No
Oh,
dust in it
it's-
at all.
That's very dusty.
Yeah, this is very
I
dusty.
haven't cleaned it.
But this is now going to be a display unit for me. The guts of an Optiplex. Very ugly computer. But for a start of whatever kind of computer you want to make,
We make do.
very good.
We make do.
Side. Oh, dude, it comes with fans already? Hell yeah. On the front. One front. Can this fit a 280 on the top? I didn't
What's the
check.
one cable say? Please lay down, blah 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 blah. Do I need that? Maybe. Right away. Lift up?
That's strange.
I've never seen it.
Alright, well, off to the side.
Okay, what do you want first?
None of that yet.
Okay.
We're gonna strip this down.
What is any of this?
See, this is why I'm putting it together.
I think if you left me in a room for the better part of 14 years,
You'd be scrolling on TikTok.
I think I'd be on TikTok the entire time.
Don't worry, I know. I'm aware. Alright. What we're gonna do first is, can you grab me the power supply?
Big power supply.
I'm gonna put that in. Just because it's big, clunky, and we'll get out of the way.
I blew dust right into my face.
Ooh. You poor soul.
I didn't realize how much was in the air. I thought it was nothing.
We're gonna untangle some of this just so I can get it out of the way.
This is like big boy Legos, honestly. What does little bro want?
I don't know. He yaps a lot. You know, because of the current times and prices are as they are, his 16 gigs of DDR4, DDR4, 16 gigs costs $114.
It's alright, man. Wait till it's like $400.
No!
And I bought it at a good price.
It was never a good price. This should have cost you $50.
No, man, it's fine. It's fine. I just bought it at the worst time. Could you imagine if we went like a month ago?
It would have been like 80 something. And still wouldn't, it would have been bad, but it would have been better.
Yeah, it would have been a better price.
Oh, you'll get rainbows now.
Will I?
You will.
What for?
Your fans.
Really?
Yeah.
That's actually kind of funny.
Why here? Why not directly to... That's just weird.
Why do it the wrong way?
Yeah, no, because, okay. So this is 3 fans. This is 4 fans, right? Or 3 or 4? 4. Where's the next cable?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So this is 4 fans, right? We have the connector, the splitter, or the
Yes.
adapter. That's a separate thing. I'll explain that in a second. 2 fans, another attachment, splitter. 4th fan, or 3rd fan, attachment, splitter. And the final fan in the back. Okay. Which is the weirdest one. It has the 5-volt ARGB. It has the 3-pin. 3-pin.
This is getting worse by the minute for you, huh?
It's just so confusing why they would do this. They have a LED switch adapter, which we won't need to connect, because it has the 5 volt ARGB, so you can connect it to the motherboard for it to change the colors themselves. But it also has a SATA splitter. We're gonna ignore this. Ignore all these wires here for now, because I have to put it in the motherboard.
What is any of that?
So this I got off a friend because I had extra parts. I traded with them. They're a good friend, close. I really didn't care, and I didn't have any use.
Is it Eric?
No. It was Eric's parts, yes. It was Eric's parts. But these are from another friend that we traded off with, or I traded off with, to help them build a new PC. Anyways, Ryzen 5 3600, 16 gigs of RAM that we got. $114. $114.
Nonsense!
I mean, it's DDR4 3600.
Nonsense! Don't speak on it like that.
This should have been 2 kits!
No!
Oh, hold on. There's another sticker beneath it. I gotta see.
Oh shit, you're right. There's another sticker. 54. They raised it by $3. Ethan. 54.
What the fuck?
They raised it by $3. You truly are paying attention here.
God damn it. I love MicroCenter. It's
But-
like the best computer store we have in all of California.
But
Oh, there's RGB? Holy shit.
boom, we start here. We start. Boom, we start here.
Boom. There it is.
You what I'm looking for it.
Thermal paste.
Yes.
Camera, please.
Coom.
Camera.
Gray coom. Yoing.
Please. Camera. There we go. Hi guys, welcome to the Anthony Dies episode.
Welcome to the Anthony Has an Allergic Reaction episode because there's dust in the room.
That's not good fun. Do they at least have a standoff? No, they do not. Alright, well. Time to freehand this shit. I don't have the IO shield. I don't have the IO shield. I do have the IO shield. I will be right back.
Hey, he's gone. Should we tell him? Tell him what? That we don't fit, dumbass. Oh yeah. Wait, shit, someone's coming. It'd be really funny for them. Shut up.
Well. Would you look at that? A whole room to myself to goon in. Let's chase the buzz. Oh, you caught me. In your room doing drugs.
Drugs?
Drug? I finished the rest of my drugs here. There's so much dust in here. There's cough outside. Lord.
Oh my god, this is not a full ITX board. So sad.
Don't tell me you have bad news. Ethan, did we buy the wrong one?
It doesn't fit this motherboard.
Fuck.
I say we do it now.
Alright.
Yeah. Well, that sucks.
Intermission.
Intermission. Okay, so we're back. It's been 2 hours because we had to drive back down to MicroCenter and back. Drive down to MicroCenter and back because the case was the wrong size. I didn't read the box and didn't realize that it was a micro ATX box or micro ATX case. So we went back, got some Dairy Queen because why the fuck not? And got the right size. And this time it has 6 fans. And it does say full ATX, I checked the box. I did, I swear.
Did you off that phone call? Well, you kiss me on that hot mouth.
So I'm feeling
Really man.
Yo, this is some fancy ass shit.
They're already
What the
out.
fuck?
They're already out without me.
I'm sorry. Hold on. Give me 1 second.
And we're
Come on.
back.
We're back, and I put mostly everything together. I just need to wire it up
We're back.
and cable manage it. For some reason, it didn't come with zip ties this time, but I also bought zip ties because I needed cable manage my own shit under my desk.
You know what this calls for? Celebration. Bounce on it.
I need 7.
Holy shit. Is that gonna fit with the cover?
Yeah.
You think so? Let's try and put it on.
Let me show off the camera.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me.
This bad boy can fit so much power through
Like I
it.
am motherfucking PIMP.
About 500 watts.
What does that mean for the people in the back?
Ignore how dirty the rest of the room looks.
Go ahead. Holy shit! Okay, the first sign of good news would be that these lights would come on. And it does. And it does. It works. Come here.
Wait. I'm gonna redact my previous statement because technically it worked, but it overheated really fast. Now, you'll see me in the background messing around with the BIOS settings, seeing if it's something that I can tune the fans to, but the other problem is that those fans are not PWM, so I can't really just connect it to the motherboard, set fan curves, and hope that it works, because they use SATA power. And beyond that, it was the water block itself that stopped working because it wasn't cooling at all, and me trying to touch the back of the motherboard revealed that it got way too hot. So I ended up switching out the AIO for the AMD stock cooler, switching the radiator back to the 2 fans, and eventually it worked. So yeah, moral of the story is make sure that all your stuff works together and fits together, because it is the pain in the ass to try and figure out when you're already most of the way through the build and the nearest computer store with affordable parts is 40 minutes away. Despite that, we got it done, and that's all that matters. It runs and it works, and I no longer care. Kind of. Whatever. Let's get back to it.
Default air cooler. It does the job. It's gonna be enough for what this man does, which isn't like intense games.
Nothing.
Which is not intense games.
Nothing.
We're doing this to LAN party Minecraft
It's
at my
just
house.
Like,
We're in LAN partying Minecraft at my house. So, yeah. That's the window screen.
question in the back of the class.
Yes.
Yo, what's that up? What's the Wi-Fi password?
Lesson learned. Make sure that your PC parts work beforehand, and
And
toss
that
them out if they
buy
don't.
the right housing
Make sure you buy
unit.
the right fucking case, so you don't drive
Yes!
40 minutes
Yes!
to your local computer store. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I'll get you the Wi-Fi password.
Okay, you're good. Is it this one?
No, E3.